Dear students, here we are going to run fundamental rights is the topic of now. First of all, definition of rights that are offered to every citizen of birth, religion. These are equal to freedoms, and these rights are essential for personal good and the society at large. Everyone have equal rights. We are not distributing them with caste or religion or other thing. This each and everyone. Now, six fundamental rights are there: the right to equality, the right to freedom, the right to freedom from exploitation, the right to freedom of religion, culture and educational right, the right to consult con- constitutional remedies, right to equality. Equality, here we have some laws, right to equality, equality before law. Article 14 of the Constitution guarantees that all citizens shall be equal protected by the law of the country. All the laws are equal for country people, access to public areas. Article 15 of the Constitution states that no person shall be discriminated on the basis of caste, color means body color, language, etc. Every person shall have equal access to public places like public parks, museums, wells, bathing gates, and temples, etc. All the people have equal rights for any public area. Maybe it is a one government building or government job or government property. Every person has equal rights. However, the state may make any and children. Equality in matters of public employment. Article 16 of the Constitution laws down that the state cannot discriminate against anyone in the matters of employment. All the citizens can apply for government jobs. It cannot be separate for particular person. Uh, all the persons are equally rights to apply any post of government at any state. Like anyone can apply for government job from any state. If he or she can crack the exam, then they can eligible for government job. Abolition of untouchability. Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes the practice of untouchability. Practice of untouchability is an offense, and anyone doing so is punishable by law. Abolition of titles. Article 18 of the Constitution prohibits the state for conferring any titles. Citizen of India cannot accept titles from a foreign state. Right to freedom. Freedom of speech and expressions, which enable an individual to participate in public activities. The phrases freedom of press has not been used in Article 19, but freedom of expression include freedom of press. Next, freedom of assembly peacefully without arms, on which the state can impose reasonable restrictions in the interest of public order and sovereignty and integrity of India. Freedom from association or unions, on which the state can impose reasonable restrictions on this freedom in the interest of public order, morality, and sovereignty and integrity. Freedom to move freely through the territory of India. Though reasonable restrictions can be imposed on the rights in the interest of general public. For example, restriction may be imposed on movement and traveling so as to control epidemics. Anyone can move anywhere in the country. That is the freedom for movability, freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, which is also subject to reasonable restriction by the state in the interest of general public or for the protection of the scheduled tribes because certain safeguards as are indigenous and tribes for exploration and coercion. Freedom to participate any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade of business. Any person can run any business which are approved by government. Person can run business with moral laws, and also there is no rights to carry on a business with a dangerous or immoral. Public can be run all the business with moral and safety. Right against exploitation. Here we have seen one image that in which two child are carrying some bricks. So that is based on this. The abolition of traffic in human beings and beggars forced labor. Beggars must most probably become a labored child. Abolition of children below the age of 14 years in danger. People must understand that below 14 means teenagers cannot work as a labor. Beggar participate in the past by landlords has been declared a crime and is published punishable by law. Traffic in human for the purpose of salt trade or prostitution is also prohibited by law. Right to freedom of religion. Every religions, anyone can follow any religion. Any person from any religion can use all the rights of India, all the rights of government. According to the constitution, all the religions are equal before the state and no religion shall be given preference over the other. Citizens are free to preach, practice, and propagate any religions of the choice. Religions communities can set up charitable institute of their own. Any religious can make its own charitable trust. Activities in such institutions which are not religious are performed according to the law laid down by the government. No person shall be compelled to pay tax from the promotion of particular religions. A state-run institution cannot impart education. This is pro-religion, culture, and educational rights. Elementary education is now a fundamental right for every child. Educational right, Article 29 and 30. Any community which has language and a script of its own has the right to conserve and develop it. All minorities, religions, or linguistics can set up their own educational institution to preserve and develop their own culture. For maintain culture or for uh, follow the culture. Any small or large religions can make their own schools. Right to constitutional remedies. It empowers the citizen to move a court of law in case of any denial of the fundamental rights for any problem, any person from any religions, he or she may be black or white or from any gender can access court. This procedure of asking the courts to preserve or safeguard the citizens' fundamental rights can be done in various ways. The courts can issue various kind of rights. These rights are if any queries, then thank you.